Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Still seeing some clear skies out there this morning. The winds have picked up a bit, seeing our peak gusts in the last hour around 17 miles per hour, and temperature has climbed to around 70 degrees at the moment, but expecting a nice day overall as we continue through our Monday. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure over southern Canada that's going to slowly build into the northeast part of the country, that along with a broad area of low pressure off the southeast coast that's going to help keep that northeasterly wind going as we go through today, as well as into most of the week as we continue through this week. But overall, expecting a nice week ahead with mainly dry conditions and not seeing any precip until we get into the weekend, but we will see some breezier days as we move through the week as well. If we look at the upper level winds from this morning's sounding, we have some northeasterly winds near the surface, becoming more northwesterly to west-northwesterly as we get up in the mid and upper levels, seeing fairly weak winds through the column, seeing our peak wind of 27 knots, that is at 25,000 feet, and seeing a freezing level at 12,400 feet. If we take a look at the current satellite, we can see clear skies across the region with those northeasterly winds, temperatures climbing into the 70s over the region. We do see some haziness to the image here with some upper level smoke still in the area from wildfires in Canada, but overall expecting a clear day today. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model as we go through the day today, expecting dry conditions. Could see some pop-up showers over the northeast part of the country, but remaining dry here at the Wallops area with some slightly breezy northeasterly winds. As we go into the evening, we'll see high clouds on the increase, and then we could see a bit of low clouds swing through the area for the early morning hours Tuesday. But overall, as we go into Tuesday, we'll see mainly high clouds, and we'll see a slightly breezier day with those winds continuing out of the northeast. We'll have a chance of seeing a wind advisory for our Tuesday, but we will see dry conditions. And going into Tuesday evening, as well as into Monday, we'll continue to see dry conditions, with Wednesday looking slightly less breezy for our Wednesday. But as we get to the end of the frame here, we'll see a little boundary moving into the northeast part of the country. So if we zoom out, take a look at the bigger picture and extended forecast, we see that boundary is associated with an upper level trough moving across the northeast that looks to miss us locally here to the north. Will just help reinforce some northeasterly winds as we get into the end of the week, but no precip expected from this boundary as it moves off to the east. But again, those winds will pick up as we go into our Thursday and Friday, looking to be breezier for Thursday and Friday. And if we look off the southeast coast, we'll see that broad area low pressure starting to come together slightly off the southeast coast, and then we'll see with that some showers start to move inland along the Carolina coast as we get into the weekend. That's going to bring some breezy conditions, and as well as a chance of seeing some showers moving into the area. At the moment, it looks like we'll see those showers moving into the Wallops local area as we get into the second part of Saturday and continuing into Saturday evening. Could see some of those showers lingering into Sunday with this upper level low, depending on where it decides to set up for the end of the weekend. But looking at some rain showers for the holiday weekend this weekend. If you look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting green conditions for most of the day today, seeing temperatures climb up into the low to mid 70s. We'll see a northeasterly breeze at 9 to 14 knots, peaking out around 17 knots this afternoon. And as we go into the evening, we'll see again that increase in some high clouds in the area, and we'd see a slight chance of seeing some low clouds moving through for the early morning hours, so do pick up that yellow risk for reduced ceilings, but otherwise expecting a low around 54 degrees. Tides are running normal at the moment. We will see those trending above normal with that onshore breeze as we go over the next couple days. If we look at the extended forecast here, Tuesday looks to be partly cloudy with mainly high clouds around, and we'll see a breezier day for Tuesday. Again, we'll see a chance of a wind advisory for our day Tuesday. Cooler day with a high around 67 degrees. Going into Wednesday, we'll see our low around 52 degrees. Another partly cloudy, slightly less breezy day for our Wednesday with a high around 72 degrees. And as we go into Thursday, we'll see the breeze on the increase as well as the clouds on the increase for the remainder of the week. We'll see temperatures in the mid-60s for our highs, and we'll see low temperatures in the low 50s. And as we go into the weekend, we'll see continued breezy conditions. We pick up that chance of showers and storms For our Saturday and into Sunday right now, giving it about a 50% chance for the weekend, seeing some showers and storms in the area. Otherwise, we'll see temperatures in the upper 60s with low temperatures in the mid 50s for the weekend. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.